Good morning, students. I hope all you have submitted your test note and other classwork notes. Last week we have discussed about few cell organelles, mitochondria, lysosome and plastics. We have discussed, and I have been sent a worksheet also. Kindly you complete it. Today we are going to see one more cell organelles are there, that is vacuoles. We are going to see detailing. Vacuoles is one of the cell organelle. Vacuoles one of the cell organelle. This is a storage sac. Storage sac. I told you already what is meant by sac. Sac is a bag-like structure for solid and liquid. It is a storage sac for solid and liquid contents. Liquid content. Okay, this is small in size. Small in size. Where in animal cell. In animal cell, they are small in size. Large in size. Large in size. In plant cell. In plant cell, this is a large in size. Okay, and it is occupying 50 to 90% of the cell volume. 50 to 90% of the cell volume occupied by the vacuoles. Okay, so what is the role of vacuoles? I told already, it is stores the solid and liquid content. Okay, so this is fully stores. It fully stores cell sap. Stores cell sap. So here, what is meant by cell sap? The cell sap means what are the food inside the cell? It stores the food. It stores the waste material. It stores any other nitrogenous waste material. Everything it stores. Okay, so that is called cell sap. What is there inside the cell? That all called the cell sap, particularly nutrients. Okay, so these are stores in vacuoles. Okay, and also provide turgidity. Provide turgidity. What is the turgidity? When the food, when the water, when all the content in the cell, it is stored inside the vacuoles, no? Then what will happen? The vacuole will swell up. That condition is called as a turgidity. That condition is called as a turgidity. And also gives rigidity. What is meant by rigidity? Rigidity means strength. Rigidity means strength. For example, the word already you learned in the cell wall. Okay, cell wall is a strong. Okay, because it's a rigid nature because of this presence of cellulose. Like that, it gives a rigidity to the cell. So turgidity and also gives a rigidity. Okay, and also the vacuoles are stores. Vacuoles are stores. Some components. Okay, what it stores? First one is amino acids. It stores amino acids. Okay, and the sugars. It stores sugars. Okay, and organic acids. Organic salt or organic acids are stores. Organic acid stores. Okay, and also some proteins. So these are stores in vacuoles. These are stores in the vacuoles. Okay, in amoeba there is a vacuole. That vacuole is called as a food vacuole. For example, this is an amoeba. Okay, the amoeba contains vacuole. Okay, when it enters the food, when the food enters by the amoeba, the food is stored in the food vacuole. Okay, this is called the food vacuole, store the food. Where in amoeba? Okay, in amoeba there is a vacuole that stores the food. When the amoeba enters the food, the food stores in the vacuole. That vacuole is called the food vacuole. Okay, and some other unicellular organism, in other unicellular organism, it involved in some other roles. For example, it expels. What's meant by expels? It helps to release the excess of water or waste material. Okay, it is help to expels excess of water and waste from the vacuoles. Again, the vacuole is a cell organelle. In amoeba there is a vacuole that is called food vacuole. The food is stored inside the vacuole. Okay, and in some other unicellular organism, it is involved in some other important function. The what function it is involving? The first one is expelling excess of water. If contains a more amount of water, what will happen? It expels, it releases, okay, from the vacuoles. Okay, and also release some waste material. When it is excess, when the vacuole fill it is so excess, so it is release some waste material. Okay, so this function of vacuole in other unicellular organisms. Okay, so like this, so many cell organelles are there inside the cell. Many cell organelles are present inside the cell. Okay, so these cells helps to maintain the life. Okay, and these cells are from the tissues, organs and organ system, and the organs are involving various life processes like nutrition, respiration, digestion and excretion. So these are some life processes which is occur in organisms. Okay, so that without this cell, no life process which I made before. So that the cell is called structural and functional unit of living organisms. So that cell is called structural and functional unit of living organisms. Okay, now we have discussed about the vacuoles. Okay, it is a storage sacs for liquid and solids. Okay, it is small in size in an animal cell, large in size in the plant cell. The vacuoles are occupies 50 to 90% of the total cell volume. Okay, and in plant cell, the vacuole fully contain cell sap, nutrients, other salts or waste or stores. Okay, so it gives turgidity to the cell and also it gives a rigidity to the cell. Okay, in the plant cell. Okay, it stores amino acids, sugars, organic acids, and some proteins are stored inside the vacuoles. Okay, in amoeba there is a vacuole. It stores the food. it is called food vacuole. Okay, in other unicellular organism, it is also involved in the expel or release the excess of water and also waste material. Okay, the structure in animal cell, it is animal cell. The vacuole size are small. These are the vacuole in animal cells. Okay, if it is in plant cell, there is a single vacuole but large in size. Okay, this is the animal cell, more vacuoles are there, small in size. Okay, this is a plant cell, single vacuoles only present but large in size. It occupies more amount of a maximum cell volume in the plant cell. Okay, so up to this the cell organelles are over. We have discussed all the type of cell organelle. Now we are going to see cell division. Cell division we are going to see. Okay, new cells are formed. Both in plants and animal cell, new cells are formed. In organisms, what is formed? In order to grow. Okay, to replace, what for is growing? To replace. Why should the cells are replaced? When the cells are becomes old. Okay, when the cells are dead. Okay, when the cells are gets injured. Okay, and also the new cells or divisions or cells are formed to form gametes. Okay, required for reproduction. Again, the new cells are formed in organism. When the new cells are formed, when the cells are to grow or replace the old cells. Okay, when the cells are matured, the new cells have to form. So for replacing the old cells and replacing the dead cells. Okay, when we get an injury or when the cells naturally die, so that dead cell have to replace. Okay, or when we get an injury, the cells becomes died, so that also have to replace. And also to form gametes, which is required for the reproduction. Gametes, for example, male and female gametes, we studied already in the last year. You studied. Okay, for this purpose, cell have to divide. Okay, and also the definition for the cell, the process which new cells are made. Called cell division. The process which new cells are made, called cell division. When the new cells are made for replacing old, okay, and replacing dead cell or replacing the injured cells, for this area, for this purpose, need new cells. Okay, so if a new cells are formed, that is called the cell division. Okay, so there are two types are there in the cell division. Two types of cell divisions are there. The first type is mitosis types. First type is mitosis. It's a type of cell division. Okay. Second type is meiosis. Is a type of cell division. So there are two types of cell division. The first type is mitosis. Second type is meiosis. Okay. Now what is mitosis? The process. The mitosis, the process of cell division by the process of cell division. Okay, the cell division by which is most of the cells divide. Which most of the cells divide. Okay, in this mitosis process, maximum cells are divided. Okay, for growth is called mitosis. For growth. Okay, the process of cell division, which is most of the cells divide for growth. For growth, the maximum cells are divided. Okay, the process is called mitosis. This is very important definition. The same topic in the 11th standard. For that, this is basic. So kindly just observe it. There are cell division. Okay, cell division when it is occurs. Okay, the types of cell division. The first type is mitosis. The definition for the mitosis. Okay, so in this mitosis process, each cell called the mother cell. Each cell called mother cell. So when the cell divide, the dividing cell is called mother cell. Okay, the mother cell will divides. This meaning for divides. Okay, and to form two new individuals. Again, the definition for the mitosis. Each mitosis, when the cell is divided, the dividing cell is called mother cell. Okay, the mother cells are divided. Okay, and to form two new individuals. The two new individuals are identical. Identical means what are similar. The cells are very similar. The size, characteristics cells are very similar. Okay, that is called identical. Okay. Again, this is a definition for the mitosis. Mitosis, the cell division is a type of cell division. In the cell divide, the dividing cell is called mother cell. When the mother cell divides, it produces two identical individuals. The daughter cells are there, the new individuals are there, The new individuals have same number of chromosomes which parents have. Okay, again, two new individuals are formed. The two new individuals having same number of chromosomes. Same number of chromosomes as mothers have. Okay, same number of chromosomes are there. Okay, the cell division helps for the growth and the repair of the tissues in organism. Very important. The cell divisions important for growth and repairing tissues. For growth and repairing tissues. For that, cell division is important. Okay, so finally two daughter cells are produced. The two daughter cells are very identical, similar like as mother. Okay, and the same number of chromosomes present. How much mother cell having? The same number of chromosomes present in the daughter cells. Okay, now diagram. In the books given diagram, you observe the diagram clearly. Observe the diagram clearly. Okay, it's a cell. There is a chromosomes. Okay, so this is a cell, chromosomes are present. If you see the book now, it is given a separate colors. It is given a two colors. So these two called homozygous. Homozygous, the structurally similar, called homologous. Homologous chromosome. Okay, structure-wise similar chromosomes are called homologous chromosome. So these two chromosomes structurally similar. So it's a homologous. This is also structure-wise similar. So this is also called homologous. Okay, so that it is given a different colors. Okay, so that is called homologous. Just you should know what is homologous. Okay, the further you will study in the 10th and higher standard you will study. Okay, so this is the structure of the cell. Chromosomes are present. Okay, now cell will divide. Cell will divide. Okay, and finally produce two daughter cells. Finally produce two daughter cells. The same. Okay, produce two daughter cells. So this is chromosomes. Okay, so finally two daughter cells are produced. Two daughter cells are identical, similar, and have a same number of chromosomes. This is called mitosis. Okay, the same structure of chromosomes called homologous chromosome. Homo means similar. Homo means similar. This is mitosis. Okay, next type we are going to see meiosis. Meiosis. Second type, meiosis. Meiosis. This is a type of cell division. Okay, the meiosis which involve two divisions. The meiosis, the cells involve two divisions. Okay, but in a mitosis, the cell divides single time, but here divides two times. Okay, so when a cell divides by the meiosis, produce four daughter cells, produce four new cells, but in the mitosis only produce two new cells. Here produce four new cells. Okay, instead of two. Okay, the new cells only have the half number of chromosomes, half number of the chromosome that of the mother cells. the mother cells. Okay, so why it is reduced? Chromosomes are reduced, no? Why the chromosomes are reduced when the cells are produced or four daughter cells, no? Then chromosome number will increase. But we need only 46 chromosomes for human being. Need only 46 chromosomes. When the cells are increased, the chromosome numbers also will increase. So to avoid that, there is a reduction division. This is occurs in the meiosis. Okay, so finally after dividing, after cell division completes, cells having 46 number of chromosomes. Okay, so the meiosis involves two division. Okay, but mitosis involves only single division. Produce four new cells. Mitosis only produce two cells. Okay, the new cells only have the half number of chromosome, but what number of chromosome mother cells have? The same numbers will have a daughter cell or new cells, but here only half number of chromosome will have. Okay, half number of chromosome will have. Okay, in the meiosis division. Okay, so the characters are not similar. Okay, it's not identical. The mitosis is identical, no, it's not identical. Because some changes will occur. Okay, because the genetic materials are interchanged, so that some changes occur. So that not identical the cells which is in the meiosis. Okay, but not in a mitosis, the cells are identical. Okay, so these are characteristics of meiosis. Okay, next diagram. Now we see the meiosis division diagram. There are chromosomes. Okay, there are chromosomes are there in the mother cell. This is a mother cell which is going to divide. That is called a mother cell. Okay, now the division will occur. Okay, and produced division one, two daughter cells. Okay, again this two daughter cell again will divide. And each daughter cell produce two daughter cells, and finally end of the division totally 4 new cells are formed. Okay, this is a division 1, this is a division 2. The division 1 only 2 daughter cells are developed. Again the 2 daughter cells again divide and finally produce 4 new cells or 4 young cells are produced. Okay. In the mother cell, you can see some variation, some difference in the chromosome. Some of the region is colored, some of the region is not colored. What does it mean by the color? Why it is colored? Why it is separated, differentiated? Because there is a process occur. The process called it as crossing over occurred. What is the crossing over? During the cell division, okay, the genetic materials are exchanged. Between one to the next chromosome. So the crossing over where it occurred, that area is colored. You see the book properly, you can differentiate. Okay. Now the two chromosomes, if the genetic material is interchanged between these two, where the changes or where the interchange occur, where the genetic material exchange, that region is colored. Okay, wherever it is, some of the chromosomes maybe it is occurred some other regions. We cannot say the particular region only the crossing over occur. We cannot say. So in any part of the chromosome it can occur. Okay, so the process called crossing over, that means the exchange of genetic material one to the next chromosomes. Okay, now the division 1, two daughter cells are produced. Okay, now the two daughter cells are produced, again two daughter cells are each, and finally 4 new cells are formed. 4 daughter cells are formed. Division 1, this is division 2. Division 1, 2 cells. Division 2, totally 4 cells are developed. So we have completed all the type of cell organs we have completed. At last, there are 2 major divisions in the cells. That is, one is plant cell, another one is animal cell. This is the structure of the plant cell, this is the structure of the animal cell. Okay, the major differentiation between the plant and animal cell is cell wall. In the plant cell, cell wall is present. Animal cell do not have cell wall. The first outer covering is cell membrane. Okay, and in plant cell, the single vacuole is present but large in size. In plant cell, there is a single vacuole is present, large in size. But in animal cell, small vacuoles are present but many. Small vacuoles are present but many. Okay, is that different? And chloroplast, the chloroplast present in the plant cell. Okay, absent in the animal cell. This is another one major differentiation. The chloroplast present only in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Okay, and the nucleus. You see in the plant cell, nucleus, it is corner. Nucleus or corner, because the maximum cell volume occupied by the vacuoles now, so the nucleus will come in the corner. Okay, but in animal cell, vacuoles are many but small in size. So the nucleus occupies in the center of the cell. Okay, and the cell wall is here, outer layer. This gives a rigid nature, gives the strength. Okay, and there is a rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is a rough endoplasmic reticulum because the ribosomes are attached. So it is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, another one side, endoplasmic reticulum, there is no attachment of ribosome. So this is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER. Okay, and then this is a nucleus. Nuclear envelope is there. And inside the cell fluid substance that is called the cytoplasm or cytoplasm. Okay, and the mitochondria, both the plant cell and animal cell, mitochondria present, and the Golgi bodies or Golgi complex, present in both. Okay, this is a parallel to each other. This is a flat-like structure. Each structure parallel to each other, or the systems. Okay, this is a vacuole. There also vacuole is present. Okay, and here nucleolus present. Nucleolus means what? A small spherical body which is present inside the nucleus. Okay, this is a nucleolus. Okay, so these are the major differences between the plant cell and animal cell. Kindly you take a practice for drawing this diagram. Okay, it's very, very important. Kindly you take practice. Okay, this diagram only will be accepted. Okay, in the last year, 8th, we have practiced some other structure, but from 9th standard onward, we have to practice this diagram only, not a simple diagram. Now we are going to see the differentiation between the plant cell and animal cell. Differentiation between the plant cell and animal cell. The first point, the plant cell wall present. Okay, the cell wall is present in the plant cell. Okay, here absent. Cell wall absent. Okay, and there is a fixed shape. Fixed shape for the plant cell. Okay, because there is a cell wall now, so there is a fixed shape in the plant cell. Okay, here irregular shape. Irregular shape. Maybe round or other shapes, because there is no cell wall. Okay, so without cell wall it can change its shape. For example, amoeba do not have a cell wall, no, so often it changes its shape because of the plasma membrane flexible. There is no cell wall. Okay, so there is a irregular shape in the animal cell. Okay, here one large vacuole. One large vacuole present. Okay, one large vacuole present. Here, one or more small vacuoles present. One or more small vacuoles are present. Okay, here centriole. The centriole absent here. So what is centriole? Centriole is one of the cell organelle. Okay, which is help for the cell division. Okay, for cell division is helping. So the absent in the plant cell. Okay, present in the animal cell. Present. Centriole present. Okay, then next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast present. Here absent. Here absent. The animals do not have a chloroplast. Okay, next. Lysosome. Lysosome, we studied about the lysosome. Usually not evident. Usually not evident. Not evident. Okay, so what is the function of lysosome? Just recall. Okay, it is act as a suicidal bag. When foreign bodies enter into the cell, suddenly it bursts and digests the foreign bodies now. Okay, so here absent. Why? Because there is a cell wall is present. Okay, so it's protect the plant cell. So here there is no need of the lysosome. Okay, but in animal cell, lysosomes are present, very common. Lysosomes are very common. Okay, and next point. Point number 7. Okay, the nucleus eccentric. Nucleus eccentric. Eccentric means what? It is a corner. In the plant cell, nucleus are eccentric. Eccentric means the nucleus not in the middle. It is located in the corner side. Why it is located in the corner side? Because the large vacuole are present. So it occupies a maximum amount of the cell volume. So the nucleus located in the corner. So that is eccentric. Okay, in the animal cell, nucleus centric. In center it is present because vacuoles are small in size now. so the nucleus occupies center place. Nucleus occupies center place. Okay, and another one is eighth point. Eighth point, that is cilia rare. Cilia rare. The cilia means what? The hair-like structure which is helped for the locomotion. Okay, but some plants have the cilia or flagella. For example, Chlamydomonas. Okay, the structure of the Chlamydomonas. This is a Chlamydomonas. Here, the flagella is present or cilia is present, which is help for the locomotion. Okay, and another one is a euglena. Euglena, it acts as a plant, acts as an animal also. The euglena also having flagella. Okay, so when it is act as a plant, it is involved photosynthesis. And also when it is act as an animal cell, with the help of using flagella, it moves. It shows the two characters. So cilia is rare. Okay, but some of the plant only having the cilia. But here the cilia present. Cilia present. Is a common. Okay, so these are the characteristics, difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Plant cell and the animal cell. Again, the first point, the plant cell one is present, here absent. Fixed shape, here irregular shape. Okay, one large vacuums are present. One large vacuums are present. Here, one or more small vacuums are present. Here, centriole is absent in plant cell, present in the animal cell. Okay, chloroplast present in the plant cell, absent in the animal cell. Okay, and the lysosomes usually not evident. Okay, there is no evidence for presence of lysosome. Okay, here common. Okay, and the nucleus are eccentric. It is not located in the center, it is a corner. Okay, here nucleus centric, middle or center. Okay, cilia rare. If it is present, example euglena and Chlamydomonas. Okay, and in animal cell, cilia present. So these are the very important and major differentiation between the plant cell and the animal cell. So kindly you make note of it. Okay, thank you.